It's the TRX-4 Sport Edition by Traxxas.
It's a crawler.
Yeah.
And we're going to do a little unboxing video.
Yeah, 3S.
Right.
This is the unboxing part of the video. Okay, so
Push it out.
we have the remote, classic Traxxas remote. Got the truck part.
They have the clips.
The inside of the truck. Oh, what the? It's like greasy.
Oh. Yeah, it is. The tire's a little greasy there. It's a Ford body.
Good suspension.
Brushed motor 2.1T.
Some nice decals.
Right. Oh, right. It doesn't come with decals.
Oh, it does.
Oh, yeah. No extras.
Oh, it does.
Oh.
Big sticker packets. Wait.
Yeah, a lot of stickers. Take a look at the underside here. Pretty beefy four-wheel drive differential.
We have so many of these remotes, you should probably put a sticker.
Yeah. There's the shack. Metal caps.
Here's the bottom of it. Very insane suspension over here. Four-wheel drive.
And it comes with the Traxxas smart system, though. You can bypass that with just a generic battery. We done?
Yeah.
Next part will be the running video. It is running.